We are pleased to show you the 2021 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, center armrest, 8 speakers, compass, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, black door handles. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.